Is your Android phone slowing like a tortoise? Don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I will show you how to speed it up. And the last one is a game changer. Okay guys, so let's start the practical aspect of it. First of all, you need to go to setting. After going to setting, then you scroll and search for about phone. Then you click on about phone. After clicking on about phone, then you click on software information. After clicking on software information, then you click on build number 7 times until developer option is enabled. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Me already I have enabled my own. Then you go back and click on the developer option. Then you scroll down. After scrolling down, then this window animation scale, transition animation scale, animator durable scale, you click one, then and set it on 0.5x, which is 0.5. My own is already set on 0.5. Then you go to the second one, transition animation scale. Then you click it on 0.5. Then you go to the next one, animator durable scale. Then set it on 0.5. Then second one is you will go to the same developer option and search for background process limit. Background process limit. Then you set it on at most 4 processes. So that's all. And there you have it, your Android phone back to running like new. If you find this tip helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech solution. Got a question? Drop them in the comment section. I would love to help. See you in my next video.